ordered today. I know that we're calling it a cereal container, but stick with us because they're used for so much more. They are only bounded by your imagination. They're 14 cups. They have, of course, that seal on them.
Yeah.
They have a pour spout on them, which is perfect for cereal, for soup. If you're somebody who, freezes your soup and puts that away, or your stews or your chilies, hold tight with us. This is a today-only price, though. And a today-only price means it's the lowest price you're going to see for 3 months. It also is a price that is only here till the end of the day. That price goes up. The easy pay goes away in just a matter of hours now. $5.99 gets it home, free shipping and handling, free. So this is your red, a set of 2 already popular. Remember, you're getting a set of 2. I'm just showing you colors here. Here's the clear. There's your spearmint, denim blue, and as you notice, those are the same colors I've been mentioning on the other pieces as well. So you can get a whole suite of pieces that match. Plumberry, there's golden sand, forest green, and then here is the platinum. Going back again, platinum, forest green, golden sand, plumberry, denim blue, spearmint, clear, and there's the set of 2 that actually can stack 14 cups apiece. 400 of these have been snapped up. You're eating cereal, right?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
And that cereal is a fold-down bag of something plastic that never keeps anything fresh. I don't know who invented that. I thought that was cool.
I have.
But it's like, what in the world? Or you're putting the little snaps on them.
Yeah,
right? There's like the little kind of little paper clip.
Because guess what? Yeah. The air gets in on the sides wherever it's not snapped and closed. So this never works. It never works. You go in to get your cereal, it's stale. You go in to get your cereal, and guess what? There's nothing in here because if you live in my house, your kids left it empty and didn't tell you. And okay?
For sure.
So
that was probably me as a kid.
Yeah, I'm sure it was me too. So, after you got your prize out, you didn't care.
Exactly.
You were like, okay, so anyway, this is so nice because it does have that flip top, right? I say it flips, it doesn't flop. So when you go to pour this, see how it's staying? It's not flopping. I love that. But what I want to do is, I'm going to open it all the way up. Exactly. And I'm going to put that cereal in.
Yeah, because the size is deceiving and you're like, 14 cups, is that really going to fit my whole bag of, my whole container of cereal? Check this out.
All right, ready?
Yep.
There we go.
And there we go, perfection.
It's in, I got to add a few jumpers. Okay, so there you have it. And so with that seal, now when you go in to get that cereal, you can't have a bad day unless there's no milk.
Nope.
Unless there's no milk, okay? But we can't help you with that. So I love these for that. Then I could see when do I need to refill as well because I love a clear base. That's what we are known for a lot of times. We give you color ones sometimes, but this is nice, so you can look in here.
14 cups, 2 of them coming home. You want to keep what's going on in this one?
So here I've got a 5-pound bag of sugar, and then I have my brown sugar in there as well, and there's some chocolate chips in there. So maybe it's the baking items that you don't pull out all the time, but you have somewhere now to store them. And look at this profile, Rachel. It takes up a very small profile, and it's vertical. Now, how about when you get the oats at the store, and you just don't want to keep them in here because, you know, we're not airtight, watertight here. So I'm going to take this off, so pour some oats in there. Now you can have your overnight oats, you can make your oatmeal in the morning, you can do it overnight, however you choose to. Maybe you're making your little oat roll, you know, the little roll-up things that everybody makes.
Do you know what I'm thinking as you're pouring? I'm thinking about students in dorms. I'm thinking I would have loved to have these in my dorm because even we were just presenting, we had the Germac. So even if you're doing that or you're putting some nuts or some sort of like snack mix in here, potato chips, Doritos. I'm going to say Doritos just because I like Doritos, but that would be perfect as well. And you've got dry storage because they are nice and lean and slim and you can stack them up. So get a couple of these sets, send them home, send them to your granddaughter, grandson, whoever happens to be in college, because I can bet you that they'd love to have those loaded up with maybe some Swedish fish.
I mean,
or whatever they like to have.
Okay, maybe a little chocolate, maybe anything.
In my pocket. I put the fish in my pocket.
She's saving that for later.
I'm saving it for later.
So this is cat food, but it could be your dog food. It could be the bones. It could be the treats.
Yeah.
But we're going to put it in here. And now listen, I know this 14 cup holds this, and this is a pretty big bag.
It is.
Okay. I know I'm going to get it in here. Watch me.
But again, so you've got cats and dogs. That's perfect for me. But I like the flip top because it holds itself open on its own.
Yeah.
And again, it's fresh. You know that it's airtight. It's an airtight seal, so the air isn't allowing the air's not getting in, the food isn't getting stale. It's K98771, lowest price you're gonna see for 3 months, and it's $17. Actually, it's an easy pay of $5.99, and it literally just is that $5.99 because it's free shipping and handling.
Yeah.
I'll take you through colors. Here's your red, then you've got the clear, there's the spearmint, denim blue, this is the plumberry, golden sand, the green is that forest green, that's most limited, and then we also have the platinum, also getting really limited. Remember, 2 of them coming home to you. They're dishwasher safe, right?
Yeah,
I
they're
literally
dishwasher
can put
safe.
them in the dishwasher.
And you can use them
That's
in the
how easy.
microwave, which
And
is
the
amazing. So
microwave.
maybe you have
Yep.
that soup, okay? Maybe you have this on the fridge. You could put these on the refrigerator door. This
You
is
can
that
slide them
profile
in.
that'll
Yes.
fit in. Or the freezer. And what's great is maybe you want to thaw this a little quicker because
Yep.
you're ready, you're hungry. Put it in the microwave, just again, flip the lid. Now, I love to freeze the soup, so if you're making the big batch, how about your meal prep? Let's not stop with all the dry goods in the pantry.
Yeah, you're right.
You could do your meal prep in here. So maybe you have your veggies cut up in here, you're doing stir fry, maybe it's
that's
sausage and
perfect.
peppers in here.
Yeah.
You can do that, excuse me. And then over here, you have your lettuce. I have 3 heads of romaine lettuce in here. You could chop it up. You know what I like, Rachel, this time of year, especially when we're getting on track again?
Yeah.
I might have my lettuce already chopped
Right.
so that it's easy access. Maybe in one I have my lettuce, maybe in another I have all the other veggies that I like to put in my salad.
Right.
They're gonna get,
Absolutely.
I'm gonna stir it up
Yeah.
anyway. And then how pretty
Look at
does
the
this
fruit.
look having your fruit in here, your
I like
strawberry?
that.
It looks appetizing, it looks beautiful, and I love that. Now, how about when you have your granola
Since you could
bars?
put liquid in there, you could put those strawberries in there. You could even pour some water in there and get infused water for
there
your
you go.
strawberries. Okay,
And
granola
yes,
bars.
you
What are you
could do
doing
that.
over here with our bars?
Okay, so they come in the
They
cardboard
do.
boxes, as we know. These are not going to do, first of all, they are wrapped in their packages. However, you don't know when you need to refill. So I like that we have that clear base for you.
Okay, yeah.
You could put these in here, just pop them right in. At my house, we're always reaching for a quick snack. The kids bring them to school every day, because they have snack time after lunch. And just frankly, I like to keep a few in the car. This is a nice way to maybe even travel with them.
You
know
can keep
a lot.
these in the car.
I
Just
say,
keep one of these in the car.
Keep it in the car.
Keep it in the back seat. You've got a little nosh. It is
boxes of
K98771. We've got over 2,000 ordered, did you say, Jen? Well over 2,000. The set of 2 coming home to you. I like it because we're calling it a cereal container, but it's so much more.
That's what we
Let
do.
us know if you want the red,
Yeah.
clear, spearmint, denim blue, the plumberry, the golden sand, the forest green, or the platinum. But more than anything, take advantage of the price now because while I cannot guarantee you we'll have the color that you want tomorrow, I can guarantee you we won't have the price. So $17.98.